Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss important MCQ on tunnel diode for SETNet exam. So let's start. The first MCQ is a tunnel diode is a lightly doped, moderate doped, heavily doped and intrinsic semiconductor. So here I show its doping, increasing order. So tunnel diode is its doping level is greater than Zener diode, and Zener diode is greater than ordinary PN diode, and ordinary PN diode is its doping level is greater than intrinsic. And I also show its particular doping chart. So in intrinsic semiconductor there is no doping, and in ordinary diode one impurity is added into 10 raised to 8 atom. In Zener diode, one impurity is added into 10 raised to 5 or 10 raised to 6 atom, and in tunnel diode, one impurity is added into 10 raised to 3 atoms. So that's why its doping level is very high. So the correct option is C, heavily doped PN junction. Okay, so next second MCQ is the operating principle of tunnel diode is valence multiplication, thermonic emission, quantum mechanical tunneling, and photoelectric effect. Okay, so tunnel diode, its operating principle is a quantum mechanical tunneling because in previous MCQ we discussed tunnel diode is a heavily doped on both P and N side. Okay, so that's why it's heavily doped, that's why its depletion is very thin, depletion region is very thin, and because of this thin depletion, barrier is also thin, very thin, and electron tunnel through the junction instead of crossing over it. And this is the phenomena of quantum mechanical tunneling. Okay, so due to this tunneling, the tunnel diode exhibit a negative resistance region, and in negative resistance region, current decrease while voltage increase. So for this operating principle of tunnel diode, it used in high speed switching, microwave oscillator and amplifier. Okay, so the correct option is quantum mechanical tunneling, option C. Okay, so third MCQ is the depletion region in a tunnel diode is very wide, very thin and zero. Okay, so we know in previous MCQ we discussed tunnel diode is heavily doped. Okay, tunnel diode is heavily doped, that's why its deflection layer is thin. Okay, deflection layer is thin. As compare other devices, tunnel diode is heavily doped and its deflection width is thin. Okay, so doping level is increased, its deflection region is decreased. Okay, so the correct option is C, very thin. Okay, so fourth MCQ is typical value of impurity concentration in a tunnel diode is 1 impurity in 10 raised to 10 parts, 1 impurity in 10 raised to 8 parts, 1 impurity in 10 raised to 3 parts, and 1 impurity in 10 raised to 6 parts. And already we discussed tunnel diode is a heavily doped, and also I show it's a impurity chart also. So in tunnel diode is a heavily doped and 1 impurity atom is added per 10 raised to 3 semiconductor atoms. So that's why option C is the correct 1 part in 10 raised to 3 parts. Okay, so fifth MCQ is which property makes the tunnel diode useful as an oscillator? Okay, so first option is high forward resistance, second high reverse resistance, third negative resistance, and fourth one is high capacitance. Okay, so tunnel diode is a heavily doped, so that's why its a deflection layer is thin, and it works on quantum tunneling on this phenomena, and its a working area is negative resistance, and for these characteristics of tunnel diode work as a oscillator. Okay, so which property makes the tunnel diode useful as a oscillator? So that negative resistance. Okay, so the correct option is C. Next MCQ 6. The negative resistance region exists between cut-in voltage and breakdown voltage, peak current and valley current, reverse voltage and forward voltage, knee voltage and reverse voltage. So I show here the graph. its IV characteristics here. And in this graph, negative resistance show here from peak point IP to the valley point here, and this is the negative resistance, and in this resistance, this negative resistance region is between peak current and valley current, and in this region voltage, with increase in voltage current is decrease. Okay, so that's why the negative resistance region exists between peak current and valley current. Option C, B is the correct. Okay, so seventh MCQ is during the negative resistance region, voltage increase and current voltage increase and current increase, voltage decrease and current decrease, voltage increase and current decrease, and last one is voltage remains constant. So in previous I showed negative resistance region graph, and here we negative resistance region lies between peak point to the valley point, and in this region current decrease. This current is decreased with increasing voltage. So that's why the option C is the correct. Voltage increase and current decrease. Okay, so 8th MCQ is the unique characteristics of tunnel diode is avalanche breakdown, negative resistance, high forward resistance, and high reverse resistance. Okay, so unique characteristics is negative resistance because of negative resistance, a tunnel diode is used in high frequency oscillator, microwave amplifier, and high speed switching circuit. So this is the unique characteristics of tunnel diode is negative resistance because it works as a oscillator in this region. And in this region, voltage is with increase in voltage, current is decreased. So the correct option is B. Okay, so next MCQ 9. Which diode has the highest impurity concentration? So in previous we discussed tunnel diode is heavily doped and its doping concentration I also discussed. So that's why tunnel diode is the highest impurity concentration diode. Okay, so correct option is D. The last MCQ is which diode is used in microwave oscillator? Zener, LED, tunnel diode, and Schottky diode. So tunnel diode is a heavily doped, so that why its depletion region is decreased. That means very thin. Its phenomena is quantum tunneling, and it works in negative resistance region between IP and IV. That means peak point to valley point, and negative resistance region is the characteristics of tunnel diode. This is the characteristics of tunnel diode, that why it is used in a microwave oscillator and high frequency amplifier. So the correct option is C, tunnel diode.